Mariveles Market is huge. It covers 3 city blocks. And what we're going to see here is literally 5% of the building. 95% all fresh foods. Typical Filipino people, just so friendly. That's how you do it. You pick the fish you want, put it in a bowl, they weigh it and sell it to you. Now that's a pork chop. How's that for fresh vegetable and fruit selection? It's only part of it. We don't refrigerate eggs here. We just left the public market. We're on our way to the War Memorial Park. There's another market directly across the street from the public market. I've seen some people get some really big fish out of this one. This is the World War II Memorial Park. This is ground zero for the Bataan Death March. I didn't really expect anybody to read through this that fast, but I included it all in case you wanted to pause and read through later. This is Mariveles Cove from the east panning west. Here we can see dwellings along the waterfront. Some of them getting rebuilt from the last storm. This is the west side of the cove, panning east. You can see Corregidor out there, Sisiman, which we'll be to in about 30 seconds. This is Sisiman Cove, and you can see Corregidor out there. And this is Sisiman. We're back on the west side of Mariveles, up on the peninsula overlooking the bay. farthest west barangay from Mariveles, to where you can catch the boats to Five Fingers resorts.